Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can heal your fighter in UFC Mobile 2. To do this, open your game. Now, there's two ways to do it. So first one, you can go to campaign, start any fight and press heal. And that way, you will spend one of your healing items. So I will heal him to full HP. And another way is to go to your camp, press on the fighter, use item, and then you will have option as well. That's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to this channel and liking and commenting this video.